Hi guys! So, nga ako napunta kay Gutom. Look what I've got here. I've got Jollibee. This is, I guess, iced coffee. Let me try to check first the receipt. Sabi na anak ko. No, iced mocha. So this is iced mocha. There. And then, I got, what else did I get? Favorite ng lahat, favorite ng masa, Yum Burger. Humuta. Then, I have a also favorite ng lahat, paborito ng bansa, Jolly Spaghetti. And